Hi everyone, నేను మీ విజయ. వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు విజయాస్ నోట్బుక్. Now we are in Keshav Memorial Degree College for a 3 days capacity building program on digital learning for mathematics teachers. They will also provide 3 days training for physical science teachers, 1 day training for social science teachers and English teachers also. In 3 days, resource persons gave guidelines on coding, data science, artificial intelligence, and Python. First day, we took training on coding, second day on data science, artificial intelligence, and third day on Python. Maximum of all in-service teachers are aged above 50 years and trying to learn and follow DRP's instructions to learn new concept and try to practice on systems also. We are also enjoying a lot like children with the results what we got after coding and artificial intelligence. We created different types of diagrams, animation pictures, and learn how to write Python. Resource person Suman sir directly show practical experiment on LED traffic lights and election voting beep sounds which follows coding instructions. Program was well designed by SCERT and Indira Madam encouraged all teachers with a sportive speech with positive vibes. Our program coordinator HM Sri Venkateshwar Reddy Garu and Deputy EVO Srimati Asra Fatima Garu runs 3 days program very smooth and in pleasant conditions with a delicious lunch. Thank you for watching.